In a small, quiet village, there lived an old lady named Mary. Mary was kind and always helped her neighbors. She lived alone, but she was never lonely. The villagers loved her. They came to her little house to share stories and ask for her wise advice. In return, they brought her food and supplies, so she never went hungry. One cold autumn morning, Mary went to the forest to collect wood for her fireplace. As she walked deeper into the woods, she found something strange, a large old pot buried in the ground. Curious, Mary brushed off the dirt and opened it. Inside, she saw shiny gold coins. Her heart jumped with joy. She dreamed of a new life with a big house, a warm fireplace, and a fancy chair. But the pot was too heavy to carry. Mary was smart. She made a simple slide from wooden planks and tied a strong cloth around the pot. With great effort, she pulled it toward her home. But something odd happened. As she stopped to rest, she looked inside. The gold coins had turned to silver. Mary felt sad, but she told herself, "Silver is still valuable. I can buy a nice house." She kept pulling the pot. Then the silver changed again. It turned to iron. Mary stopped and stared. She felt a deep sadness. Her dreams of a rich life disappeared. But then she smiled. She took a deep breath and thought about her life. She had a cozy home, kind neighbors, and joy from helping others. She realized she was happy before finding the pot. True happiness came from love, not money. Mary left the pot in the forest and walked home. That evening, she sat by her old fireplace in her simple chair. A warm feeling filled her heart. No gold could give her that. Mary kept living her life, helping others and sharing love. She stayed happy in every situation. Her story shows that real happiness comes from inside, not from wealth. Mary was richer than any pot of gold.